Guys, welcome to our channel once again. Yes, this time around we are learning how to do data box after writing our article. Yes, so this is very simple. We are just going straight to the point. Yes, let me open my Chrome. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, so after opening my Chrome, I will quickly search for. I'm going to use the current context articles to do show you these examples on how to do this stuff. Yes, so I already have this in my history. It's just like I told you before, this is just the same view when you are using your mobile phone. Yes, but sometimes the mobile phone you have to go and change the settings from mobile view to desktop view. This is a desktop view. When it is in desktop view, you get to see all the things clear like this. So we are doing data box, and data box is more like a summary of the whole article. we, when you get access to the data box as a reader, you just going through the data box is just a summary of the whole article. Yes, let me give you example here. We are taking this article for example, Sarah Adua Safo. Yes, so this is what I meant by data box. As you can see, in office, name of the person, position, all these informations. These are information that you come across in the bigger picture in the article here. But this is just like something like a profile of the person. In some cases, you see picture of the person too. If the picture is available on Wikidata, you will see it here after doing the data box. Yes, so this is the whole article in the English version. So let me open it in a new tab, and this is the English version of the article, and this is the Likpakpanli version of the article. So let's open the Likpakpanli version and add the data box there. So as you can see, this is the Likpakpanli version, and it has been written. It has been written, but it's not yet done. Yes, so one person can contribute to an article, but it's always preferable when two or more people contribute to an article. That way it shows how standard the article is. Yes, so let's do the data box. So when you are to do the data box, you see this QID code. This QID code, that's what you have to copy. So the article is number four of um the list of articles. So you just copy this. So once you get it copied, the QID code of that article, which is Q20898403, once you copy it, you go to your article page where you are writing the article. So it's in read mode. You change it to edit source. So we are now coming to input your data box. So once you get it open, you come to the beginning of the article. Yes, the data box is supposed to be on top of the article, on top before the beginning of the articles comes. So let me space. So when you are using your mobile phone, you just have to send your cursor there and give a space, make the top free. So that's where you put the information there, the data box information. So let's do that. And when you are doing that, there is a code that you just enter, add the QID code, and let's do it together. So curly brackets, double curly brackets, and you do data. The D is supposed to be in cap, and the rest should be in small letters. So data box. Bring your pipe, or yes, this sign, this symbol, straight like this, straight like this. It's not slash, it's straight. When you check in your mobile phone, you will see it there. You go to the um, characters aspect, you will see it there. So you now data box and item, item, item is equal to, sorry, is equal to. You now put that QID code there. After doing opening curly brackets, data box item is equal to, put your QID code there and close the curly brackets. Close the curly brackets. The curly bracket should be double. The curly bracket should be double. You see, data box item is equal to your QID code, double curly brackets. If you don't close the curly brackets, it won't come. And if you do one curly bracket, it won't come. If you do if you don't write this all this correctly, it won't come. Yes. So you have to do it correctly, as I did here. You see, I'm highlighting it for you to see. So this is just the, so when you are doing any data box, you just need this code. You just need this code up to here, up to the is equal to, and you add that article QID code. So if it is for, let's say, if I was working for I was working on an article on different person or something, and the QID code can never be the same. Yes. So this one is for Sarah Juasafo. That's the data box. So after doing it, getting it done like this, yes. So you scroll down and publish. When you are publishing, they ask you what have you done. Yes. So you need to let them know what you have done to the article. So I added data box. So and you publish. I added data box and publish. So let's publish and see how the thing will look. You can also show preview before you publish. If you are not sure of what you have done and you want to see, you see. Now the data box is here. You see, so you can continue with your article. Once you get the data box done, you can continue with your article. So this is just how the data box is done. Let's get another example done and you get to know how it is done. So let's see, these articles, those in red means they haven't been touched. Yes, I'm looking for the ones that we have written something there, so that I'll just use that one as an example. Yes. So let's use this one, article number 13. Let me open that one. Open the properly version. So this is the English version of the article, as you can see. As I was explaining to you on the other time, you see this is the data box. It comes with a picture. So that means there is a picture in the Wikidata item there. So let's see. So this is the Lickback version. Yes, the article still needs more improvements. Just one sent like one line of writing. Yeah, sorry. So let's do the data box as a, so we come to where edit source, edit source. The data box should be first before the articles comes. So we do our code again, curly brackets, double curly bracket open. Sorry, there's no space. You are not spacing anything. You are just writing it together. Data box pipe item is equal to data box pipe item is equal to, sorry, so you go and look for the QID code of the article. So that's article number 13. So the QID code, this here is the QID code. In some cases, you won't get the QID code easily like this. You have to go to Wikidata and look for it. We will get there. We'll get there. Yes. I don't want the video to be long. That's why we are just making it simple like this for you. So once you get your QID code, you copy it and paste it here. Make sure the code is exactly as it is in that article. Yes. So once you get it done like this, don't forget to close your brackets, your curly brackets rather. So, and it's double curly. If you do it one, you won't get what you are looking for. Yes. So as you can see, I'm done with this. Is just a simple. You don't need to write what you saw in there. You don't need to write this whole thing. You can't do it like that. You can't do it like that. Yes. So this one you can't do it like that. You just have to do the pattern there, the code there, and it will lift those information, put it in your article for you. So you can see this our data box. This is what we call data box. Sorry. Okay. So I'm now done. Let me go and publish. So what have I done? I have added data box. So added data box. Data box. You can decide to write center, but just do something, just write something small there to not to waste your own time. Yes. So let's publish and see how the something will look. Or network. Yes, so it's loading the thing up. Yes, the network is slowing. The picture will, when there's a picture in the QID, you will surely see the picture lifted into your article too. Yes, it's still loading. You can see the picture here with all the information. Yes. So this is just the summary of everything that you are going to write in here. And you can't do this alone without writing the article itself. So they are all parts. It makes up the article. Yes. So when the person is reading, you get to know who the um, write up is referring to. Yes. So thank you. Let's watch out for our next video on how to add references.